Welcome students. Today's our topic is memory virtualization. What is memory virtualization? Memory that has been and continues to be an expensive component of a host. It determines both the size and number of the application that can be run on the host. Uh, Memory virtualization enables multiple application and processes whose aggregate memory requirement is greater than the available physical memory. So to run on a host without interacting each other. So memory virtualization is operating system features that virtualizes the physical memory, that is RAM, of the host. So it creates the virtual memory with an address space larger than the physical memory space present in the compute system. So virtual memory encompasses the address space of the physical memory and part of the disk storage. So the operating system utilities that manages the virtual memory is known as virtual memory manager. So virtual memory manager manages the virtual to physical memory mapping and fetches the data from the disk storage. When a process reference of virtual address that point to data at the disk storage. So the space used by the virtual memory manager on the disk is known as swap space. A swap space, also known as page file or the swap file, is a portion of the disk drive that appears to a physical memory to the operating system. In a virtual memory implementation, the memory of a system is divided into contiguous blocks in a fixed size pages. So a process known as paging moves inactive physical memory pages onto the swap file and bring them back to the physical memory when required. So this enables the efficient use of available memory, physical memory among the different applications. So the operating system typically move at least used pages into a swap file so that enough RAM, that is physical memory, is available for the processes so that are more active. Access to swap file pages is slower than the access to physical memory pages because swap file pages are allocated on the disk drive, which is slower than the physical memory. So this is all about the memory virtualization. Okay, the reference is from this book, and thank you to all of you. Thank you.